Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel guys. Guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about this my new collection guitar. This is a Fender Squire Bullet Telecaster style. I've got an unboxing of this guys. If you want to have a look, I'm gonna put in the card in here, and then when you finish, and then you can come back here. So like I said guys, we're gonna talk about this. I'm gonna give you a full review and a demo and how it sounds like, because this is a beginner guitar, and like I said, this is a cheap guitar. It's cost about 135 pounds here in the UK. So this is not a high-end brand, but according to some video that I watched, this is from Fender, what is that called? Substitute. I forgot to call it. Yeah, because there is a Fender Telecaster, but this one is a Squire Telecaster, but it's from Fender, but it's Squire. I don't know. Like I said, when I do the unboxing of this video guys, I'm not an electric, I'm an acoustic player. So, but I'm gonna give you a quick review of this guitar and a sound check or a sound test, and you let me know what it sounds like guys. So let's go and start it. There you go guys, like I said, I'm gonna give you a full depth review of this Squire Fender Telecaster Bullet. That's a long name, isn't it? They call it Squire Bullet Telecaster, but like I said, this is from Fender, like a substitute for the cheapest guitar, affordable, but it's really durable and playable. Take note, playable and durable guys. And this one is a black finish with a white pickguard, and I show you this earlier as well on my unboxing, that this one is made from Indonesia, and it said in here is 2021 model, which is March 10. I don't know, I'm not sure. Just give me a comment, good feedback guys, if I'm doing right. As you can see the number on the back. So like I said earlier guys, this is a very budget friendly solid body electric guitar from Squire, and classic single away design in here, and a lightweight popular body with a black finish, obviously black. And it's really slick maple neck with a C profile shape, and I'm really impressed when I unbox this guitar. Not even like a really sharp fret, really done well. This is made from Indonesia, so shout out to Indonesia Squire, who's making this really affordable, playable electric guitar from Fender. And there is a two standard single coil iconic Telecaster sound, so that is familiar design for the Telecaster. Two single coil and classic string through the body. So I showed this already when I unboxed this guitar. There is a hole in here if you want to change your string, so through the body, going out in here, going to the fret, and then to the head machine, so you can tidy up the string. And this guitar guys, highly recommended. This is a perfect for the beginners. So I'm not sure if you are professional, you're gonna grab one of these, but in my own opinion, why you gonna grab expensive guitar and it's not noticeable the difference? I think only the difference that you can notice on the expensive, on the cheap guitar, is from here on the back of the head. They put made from Mexico or America, something like that, USA. Highly recommended to you guys if you are beginners. So this kind of guitar guys, they called Bullet Telecaster. They call this fretboard from Indian Laurer Fingerboard Black, and it's the series they call a Bullet, and a black The body is popular style from Telecaster design, and the body is gloss finish, guys. The neck material is a maple, and it's really nice to feel the back of the neck. It's really nice C-shaped profile, and the scale length is 25.5. So from the bridge to the nuts is a 25.5 scale. And the fingerboard they called Indian laurel. Some people they called like a maple style, but according to the specs of this guitar, the fingerboard is the Indian laurel. And the fingerboard radius is 9.5 or 241 millimeter. And the number of frets is 22. And fret size is a narrow, tall. But it's really cool. It's really nice. And the nuts they called PPS. I don't know what is PPS, but it's called PPS. And the nut width is 42 millimeter. And on the fretboard, as you can see, there is a white inlay, and they call them Fern Lloyd dot. And also on the top of the fretboard as well. And of course, there is a truss rod. And when you get this electric guitar, a tele, including the two Allen key, one is for the truss rod and one is for the bridge when you adjusting your bridge. And the neck pickup is a standard single coil, and we've got volume and the tone control. So you got only two control. One is the volume, one is the tone control. And then you've got a pick switch. You got a 3 switch in here. 1, 2, 3. So when you push the up, it's a neck pickup, and the middle position is both neck and bridge, and when you press it down, it's a bridge pickup. So that's all you got selection, guys. You got only 3 switches. 1, 2, 3. So that is the switchings that you're gonna get on the Telecaster design, guys. And the pickup configuration is a SS single coil. And the bridge, of course, we got 6 saddle string through body type here on the back, guys. And of course, the tuning machine is like a normal standard cast sealed, but it's not look like cheap. It's look like Fender, but it's no name on it, like a standard tuning machine. And the pick guard, like I said, you gotta apply white pick guard, but I might change that soon, but I don't know yet. And of course, you got a knob control. You got 2 knob control, 1 volume and 1 tone, which is a flat head. And of course, the string that they put in here, I watched loads of video about this Telecaster. When they got this, they changed the string as soon as they get this guitar, but I'm gonna leave like that because I'm not gonna play this anyway. So, but the string is a nickel plated steel from 0.009 to 0.042 gauge. So it's a really nice gauge string that they put in here, guys. So I think that is everything about this guitar, and nothing I can say, and perfect for me, a beginner for electric guitar. Highly recommended to you guys. And now I'm gonna show you the sound of this guitar. I'm gonna do the neck pickup and the combination neck and bridge, and then the bridge. So of course we have to connect this to the amplifier. I don't have any like expensive amplifier. I've got Roland Cube 50 watts. So we're gonna plug it in here, and let's listen to the sound of this Squire Telecaster Bullet from Fender. There you go, guys. Everything's connected. All we have to do is turn this on. And take note, before you turn on your amplifier, whatever you got mixer, make sure that everything's on the 0 volume. And then when I play this, I'm gonna do the bridge and the combination and the neck pickup testing sound, and then I'm gonna put some reverb and overdrive from this Roland Cube amplifier. So Let's check the sound first. So there you go guys. Since I unboxed this guitar, I never tried this to plug it in. So let's have a look if the volume control is working. It's working. And the tone control. So the volume control and the tone control is working. And let's hear if these three switches is working. So we go on the neck pickup, middle, and bridge. So I hope you can hear the difference from the bridge and the combination and the neck pickup. So now we're gonna try the neck pickup first. Middle, and the bridge pickup. Clean sound from Roland Cube neck pickup. Middle, bridge pickup, and now we're gonna go to the crunch sound from the Roland Cube on the neck pickup. Middle, bridge, so I hope you hear the different sounds guys from the neck pickup, a combination of neck and bridge, and the bridge pickup. And when we put the reverb, that's a reverb. And this one is a chrome and the reverb with a neck pickup. Middle, bridge. By this time, we're gonna do a reverb and a delay from Roland Cube with the neck pickup. Middle. Bridge pickup. And this time we got only delay from the Roland Cube with the neck pickup. Middle. Bridge.